What are we reviewing today?
Happy water bombs.
Yeah, it's a 10-piece set of reusable water balloons, water bombs. You can see them right here. See, it's all full of water, and they come in all these different colors. Watch, and you just open it up like this, and it has a magnetic sealant like that. So basically, you can refill these in seconds. Did you spill the water on you? Here, let's throw it on the ground. You want to see how it explodes?
Yeah.
Them all filled up in there. We just dunk them in a bucket. It's their magnetic rings.
There's one more, guys.
Yeah, so show us how you do it. Just pull it apart, hold it under the water until all the bubbles come out, then close it under the water. Close it. And then look at it. Now pick it up out of there. Whoa, look at that water bomb. What are you going to throw it at?
You.
No, throw it so I don't want to get all wet. Whoa. Then you can pull them all out. They come in a bunch of fun colors. Those would get someone soaked on a hot... Ooh, that one's clear. You're going to hit your tractor? Whoa, it's like a water bomb. I'm going to get one. Whoa.
Don't throw it at me.
It's a little bit. You get them now. That's a lot of fun. These are fun to...
at you now.
Uh-oh, I better run. These would be fun to take to the lake or the beach. He's thinking of what color to get me with.
I can't reach.
And see, they just end up like this on the ground, and you can just pick them back up. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, I dodged it. Can't get me. But you can see how much fun this would be. Ah, you almost got me again. Don't get me, please.
I stand more closer.
Oh, you got my feet. I'm all wet now. I'm going to get you back. This one still has some water in it. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision. Don't get me.
You don't have any. You don't have any.
You better throw it at me then. Ooh, you left the base open. I'm going to get some back from it. Come up here. You did. You were. I won't throw it. I'm just going to hold it. Try to get me.
I'll go much closer to you.
Oh, I'm all wet. Ugh, look at it. I'm all wet. I got to get you now. I got to get you back. Here, bombs away! So overall, these are super fun. My pug thinks they're a ball, which is silly, but I'm already soaking wet. Hey, what are you doing? You want to show the people the thing? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, well, I try to...
Are you showing everyone the thing? Oh, no. Ah! Oh, it's all down my back. No. Oh, not again. I'm going to get you. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.